Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you through a fun and easy project, a crochet coaster. This coaster is simple, elegant, and perfect for protecting your table while adding a handmade touch to your home. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, this tutorial is beginner friendly and fun to follow. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to support the channel. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need a 4mm crochet hook, your favorite green yarn scissors, a tapestry needle for weaving in ends. Now, grab your tools and let's begin. Before we start crocheting our beautiful coaster, let's go over the basic stitches we'll be using in this tutorial. Magic ring, magic circle, chain, stitch, CH, double crochet, DC, cluster stitch, slip stitch, SLST. Let's begin with round 1. Make a magic ring. Work 16 double crochets into the ring. Pull the ring tight to close the circle and slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet to finish the round. Great start. You've just completed the foundation of your coaster. Fantastic work so far. The magic ring might seem tricky at first, but once you master it, it'll be your go-to technique for circular projects. Keep practicing, you're doing amazing. On to round 2, chain 1 to begin the round. Alternate between 1 double crochet and 1 chain stitch around the circle. You should end up with 16 sets of FE. Slip stitch into the first double crochet to finish the round. Great job! This round starts creating the texture and spacing for the next steps. Your coaster is starting to take shape. Take your time to ensure even stitches. It's all about enjoying the process and learning as you go. Next is round 3. In each chain space from the previous round, work a cluster stitch. To do this, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain space, yarn over and pull through 3 loops on the hook. Repeat this 3 times for a total of 9 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all loops to create a cluster stitch. Chain 1 after each cluster. Repeat this around. Slip stitch to close the round. Look at that texture coming to life. You're doing amazing. Cluster stitch adds a lovely touch to the design. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to perfect. Each stitch brings your coaster closer to completion. For round 4, in each chain space from the previous round, work 1 cluster stitch followed by 3 chain stitches. Repeat this pattern all the way around. Slip stitch to close the round. Now your coaster is looking even more intricate and stylish. Look at how elegant your coaster is becoming. You're adding so much personality with every stitch. Great work so far. Finally, let's complete your coaster with round 5. In the first chain space, work 1 cluster stitch. In the next chain space, work 8 double crochets. Here 8F, alternate between cluster stitches and 8 double crochets in each chain space around. Once you finish the round, slip stitch to close, fasten off, and weave in the ends. Congratulations, you've just completed your gorgeous green crochet coaster. You did it! Your handmade coaster is ready to use or gift. Each piece you make is truly unique and special. You should feel so proud of your work. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet projects. I'd love to see your creations. Share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy crocheting.